Hello everyone. I am Dr. Boshupurna Mojumdar working at Disha Eye Hospitals. I will be speaking on red and itchy eyes. So if you are having a red eye, some of the very common causes which are not a disease per se, that will include long screen time like as seen in IT professionals and children doing online classes. Also people who are swimming with exposure to the chlorine in the swimming pool waters, smoke and dust exposure, sleep deprivation, frequent eye rubbing. So these are very common causes, they are not diseases. So just lubricating drops and modifying your lifestyle and taking breaks from screen time and all will be helpful. But there are some conditions that are serious and will need treatment. Some of the very common ones are conjunctivitis, allergies. So coming to conjunctivitis first, so conjunctivitis can be viral, bacterial or caused by chemical injuries to the eye. So if you are experiencing a sudden drop in vision along with your red and itchy eyes, discharge, then swelling of the eyelids, you're finding it difficult to look at the computer screen or difficult to look at the lights, you're having profuse watering, so you're probably having a conjunctivitis and you need to see your ophthalmologist. So these diseases can be treated with topical lubricating drops, antibiotics and steroids if needed in severe cases. So conjunctivitis is a very contagious disease. So if you are having conjunctivitis, you need to repeatedly wash your hands, use separate towels or handkerchiefs, separate pillows and bed sheets, because you might be spreading it to other people at your home, especially children and old people are more susceptible. Other than this conjunctivitis, you can also have ocular allergies. Very commonly it happens in the season change time when the summers are just starting. So ocular allergies, you will have swelling in the eyes, severe itching, you can have rope-like, string-like discharge coming from your eyes. It is very commonly seen in children. So ocular allergies can also be treated with drops, antihistaminic drops, lubricants, and it will be determined by your ophthalmologist. So other than that, you can also, there's a condition called blepharitis. So you can have blepharitis where you can see crusting like white material on your eyelashes, very similar to the dandruff on your hair. So you need to clean your eyelashes properly with medicated solutions. All that can be done. So these are common causes of red and itchy eyes. But there can be some severe diseases causing red eyes like uveitis, angle closure glaucomas. So these will need systemic workup and thorough treatment by your doctor. Also, if you are having a history of trauma or any kind of injury to the eyes followed by which your eyes are red, watery, please do consult your doctor immediately. Thank you.